In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Always On Display feature on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. Now I'm gonna show you how it works. So if we lock our device and if Always On Display feature turned on, it shows us some information here such as time, widgets, and maybe also notifications and a wallpaper. If you don't want to use this feature because it is slowly drains your battery, first off you need to head over to settings, then scroll down until you find display and brightness. And here, if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find Always On Display. We can get into it, and that's where we can easily configure it. We can turn on or off showing wallpaper and notifications while on Always On Display. And also, if you want to completely turn off this feature, just deactivate it in that way. Now, when we lock our screen actually turns off instead of showing some unnecessary information. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.